Morning class. So today we will be learning how to manipulate our medial phonemes. That means that we will be working to change the sound in the middle of our word. All right, are you ready? Awesome. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention to the words that I will be giving you. I am going to model how it is that I manipulate my medial phoneme, how I change my middle sound. Then you are going to try one with me, and then you will have an opportunity to do one on your own. Ready? All right. So I want you to think about the word pat. Pat. Like pat your head. P-a-t. Pat. The medial phoneme in my word pat is ah. Now, what if I changed my medial phoneme, my middle sound, to ah? Let's do it together. Ready? P, ah, t, pot. Good job. Okay, now let's do another one together. Ready? What if I changed that medial sound, to I? What would you have? I want to hear you say it. Ready? That's right. It. Pit. Good job. Let's try one more. Ready? What if I changed that medial phoneme of I to eh? What would you have then? Okay, let's try again. Ready? That I is becoming an pet, like a pet. Alrighty, good job. You guys did an awesome job manipulating your medial phonemes, and I know we're going to keep on practicing, and it's really important that we practice, right? Good job, guys.